Hello beauty lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make extreme whitening black soap. This soap is going to whiten you in a space of 10 days. In fact, at the 7th day you'll be seeing maximum result. It's a super effective mix. If you know you do not want to be white, please stay away from this soap. This is a highly requested video by my subscribers. They complain, some of them complain, I do not like to use lotion. I just want something that will exfoliate me nicely and give me about 3 shades lighter. And I came up with this recipe. Now if you're a caramel person and you do not want to go lighter, please, this soap is not for you. This is super whitening black soap. In this bowl I have my shredded black soap and my white Ghana black soap, the one that comes in wraps like this. So I'm gonna take this out and introduce all other recipe that will be going into this formula. So in this recipe we'll be using our crude cannacle. Crude cannacle will help to prevent green veins. For some of you who are prone to having green veins, this will be going into this recipe. I'll be putting one of my nature white oil. One of this will be going into the formula. In this formula I'll also be using my Amos White strong whitening serum. This is a 5 days whitening serum. This serum is super effective. I'll be adding my anti-stretch mark oil. This is my anti-stretch mark oil, shalom oil. I'll be adding my collagen extracts. I'll be using Tawa's powder, Snow White powder, but if you have the other Snow White powder, you can also use that. This can also go into this formula. It's soap, it's not a cream, so we can use Tawa's for this, but if you have other Snow White powder, it's also fine. I'll be using my Pigmentos lotion. I'll be using one of this. Of course, my mustard seed oil will be going into this mixture. I have about 2 tablespoons of my mustard seed oil. I'll also be adding my Labjanis oil. This is a treatment body oil. This oil is super good. It will help to even out your tone. Here I'll also be adding my Clinic Clear whitening oil. This oil is a super strong whitening oil. It's going into this formula. Also, I'll be adding in some powders. Here is my camwood. For some of you who don't know camwood powder, it's in this form. I just blended it out and added some other herbs to it. Here is my neem powder. Here is my detox powder. Here is my bleaching powder, and here it's my pearl powder. It's going into this formula. These are super lovely powders that will also help to heal the skin and rejuvenate the skin while it's lightening, while the soap is lightening you. These 3 over here are treatment herbs that will help to cleanse off your skin and also help to rejuvenate your skin, while these 2 are super whitening powders, the bleaching powder and the pearl powder. It's also be going into this formula. And here I have my activator gel. This is a super whitening active that goes into black soap mixture. This is available on our website. In this formula, I'll also be adding my glycerine, and I'll also be incorporating a little bit of salicylic acid to help, exfoliate the skin and get off all those dead skin cells. Now, we'll go right into this mixture. I'll be adding my anti-balls and my anti-balls soap. This you can also find on our website or find in any cosmetic shop where they sell ingredients for soap making. Here is my anti-rash ball. It's also going into, I'm just trying to smudge them as fine as possible. Basically, what I did behind the camera was to use my hand to mix up all the ingredients, and here is the final result of the whitening black soap. Now, should you want this to be more in a pudding form, you can add any whitening shower gel of your choice to loosen it up a bit, but I like my black soap this solid. This way you can even mold it into balls, and or just put it in your container. So this is how to make your super whitening black soap mix. If you're not a light skinned person, or if you don't intend to get light, please, this recipe, it's not for you. Now, for some of you who have issues when you premix your black soap, I want you to drop me a comment and let me know your challenge. Some of you say your soap tends to have a foul smell after a few days. Feel free to discuss your challenge with us. When you made your black soap, what you experienced, if it actually changed smell, or your black soap turned watery. We have cases like that. So many people have also written me, you know, a direct message that way, and I decided to come online to show you guys how to mix up. You can see this is super thick. If I want it to be in a pudding form right now, I could just decide to add more shower gel to this, lightning shower gel beside, and loosen it up a bit. So this is how to make your own. Let me know what you feel about let me know what you've experienced making your own black soap, and try out this recipe. And also drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you feel or what the outcome is when you use this recipe on your skin. If you've been watching my video up to this time and you have to subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel. Hit on the notification bell beside it to get notified each time I upload a new video. Until my next video, guys, keep that glow pumping, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.